Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, this is Bowie, and today we're going to talk about how we got to perform at the AMAs! Just kidding, Bowie didn't get to perform, but I did, and Shove did, and it was super awesome, and we want to tell you all about it because we're still on cloud 9, so yeah, it was so crazy. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about what? Roller skating. So if you like roller skating, or if you're thinking about liking roller skating, you should definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I post. And you should head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because cheerstothequeers.com is a great place to get skate accessories and cute things like this beret or these earrings or socks or fun things to support your roller skating lifestyle or just like cute shit. So this last week was the American Music Awards, and I never in my entire life would I have ever dreamed that I would be performing at the AMAs, and I just don't think that that dream has ever concreted in my mind because I never thought that that would even be an option. Like, it feels so big to me and so amazing that I'm like, yeah, I'm honestly so mind blown. So this AMAs, Pink, the amazing artist known as Pink, decided to have roller skaters skate backup for her in her opening the AMA's performance to her new hit song, Never Gonna Not Dance Again, aka NGNDA. And it's a bop, by the way. You should definitely listen to it. It'll get you dancing, for sure. Okay, let's back up. A long time ago, when I first started skating, I went to a workshop by the LA Roller Girls, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. I want to be a part of this. I want to work really hard on skating so that someday I might be an LA Roller Girl. And the LA Roller Girls, who are now more well known as LARG, LARG, which is like LA Roller Girls, LA Roller Guys, LA Roller Gays, LA Roller Gays. I went to that like literally 6 years ago, or 5 years ago. When I first started roller skating, I was just in roller derby, and from that day on, it's always been like a significant dream of mine to skate with the LA Roller Girls, to be an LA Roller Girl, and to like perform on skates. And maybe I haven't told you about that, maybe I have, I don't know, but that is definitely something that is like deep in my heart as something that I want and love doing. So when the LA Roller Girls called me, actually this year for the first time, and I ended up doing a performance with them for Lizzo, skating behind her in the Her Can't Cancel Pride performance, and then a little bit later at the Moon Girl debut at the D23 convention, I just have felt so blessed and so excited, and I haven't really talked about it because I don't want it to end. It just makes me so happy. Like, I literally love it so much, and I feel so just like stoked to get to skate and perform and like have that be a job that is part of my repertoire. So this last couple months, they called me and Shove and asked us to audition for the Never Gonna Not Dance Again to perform behind Pink. And we were like, there's no way we're gonna get this, right? Like there's so many people that are way more qualified than we are. Like, so many people. But like, let's do it because why not? Like, let's try it. And if you have something in your heart that you're like, oh, I don't know, like everyone else is better than me, it doesn't matter, just try. Like, I'm a testament to that. So we ended up getting picked, and I just could not be more excited. So this is how the whole thing kind of went. We did a bunch of rehearsals for the pre-shoot. So a pre-shoot was where, if you saw the AMAs, Pink was like skating down the streets of downtown LA, and then she gathered people up. Like she gathered up the hot dog stand guy, who is my friend Jordan, shout out to you, Jordan, and Harry Perry from Venice, who's the guy who like plays the bass guitar and then skates with the big custom wheels, like the big wheels and the skates on the side. And then she collected me and Shove and then a couple other people, and we skated down downtown LA and then did like a dance to the beginning of our song, and then we skated into the artist entrance for the AMAs. And then this is where the live performance begins. So we did all of that ahead of time. TV magic made it look like we had done it right before and we're skating right on in. And then we skated through the aisles. So fun. We skated through the aisles of the AMAs. We got to see just like so many people. We were just like bringing the party. We were skating on multiple styles of carpet, so it was an adventure. And just like partying and bringing it down to the stage. So we all came in, and then the screen comes up and you can see on the stage that the whole stage has been transformed into a ginormous rink called Pink's Rink. And there are grocery carts full of disco balls and skates, and there's big neon palm trees, and there's like an area where it looks like an arcade, and there's an area where there's like games, and there's a big like a really big life-size teddy bear. There's like there's like a circle, and then in the middle there's a pit where there are people, and that pit has a 6-foot drop. And I've never skated on a stage with a 6-foot drop random pit before, so I was a little bit nervous. And then you look back and you see a huge 6-foot ramp. And so there's a big ramp in the background too. And you know me, I was like, the ramp, I want to be on that. So we come in and we're just partying, and we had done like weeks and weeks of rehearsals, lots and lots of rehearsals to prepare for all of the choreography and all the moments that happened. If you see it, like you don't even see the whole magic of it all, but like there were OG Venice skaters dancing, there are people doing lifts and jumps, and like there's like a conga line. Crystal does a cartwheel into the ramp, and there's like pyro behind her, and there's like a bunch of like cool like lights, and it's a literal party come to life on stage, and it is so fun. And I got to skate with Shove for a part of it. I got to just like be part of the party. I got to skate on the ramp, and I was so excited, and it was just an overall like mind-blowing and so fun experience, and it made me be like, oh my god, I want to do this every day. Obviously, like I guess that's also what happens when you like have a dream and then you're like, oh my god, I'm doing the dream, like this is the thing that I wanted to do. Yeah, so wild. And Pink is so nice, like literally the nicest human being, so cute, so athletic, was killing it in the skates. She's only been skating since like August, and she just is like unbelievable on the skates and was just doing so good. And it was a part of her story because every single person on the stage was wearing roller skates, including Pink. And so there weren't any backup dancers. Like we were the backup dancers, backup skaters. Like we were there to make Pink look good. And it just like, I cannot, as I'm talking about it, like I can't wipe the smile off my face because I just feel like, like, did that really happen? Like, did I literally skate by Machine Gun Kelly in the like wild outfit? And like, did I really just like I literally had gone and seen Lizzo and Lotto like the night before or something, and then Lotto was like in the audience, like like so crazy. But like I had the greatest time, and a lot of people have been asking me about it, so I figured I would tell you about it and tell you about my experience and like manifest like me constantly being in the LA Roller Girls, because I want that. But yeah, so if you're having an event, the LA Roller Girls are hireable. So you can hire like a group of the LA Roller Girls to perform at your event, or like you know, I'm sure that they're booked and busy all the time. But you should definitely follow LA Roller Girls on social media platforms. Follow Crystal, who is the choreographer. And then there was also Nick and RJ were the choreographers as well for like the whole performance. And then there was a wonderful, fabulous, amazing human being named Tracy Shibata, who is also an excellent dancer, who was also like coordinating us and helping us. And thank you to Pink. I know Pink will probably never see this, but thank you so much, Pink, for letting us be a part of your performance. I just like, literally is a dream come true. A full-on dream come true. So if y'all are wondering why I haven't really made as many YouTube videos recently, I've been busy doing some stuff, and performing at the AMAs was one of those things that I've been doing, and I'm just really grateful. So yeah, so that's my story. If you have any other questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments below, and I will try my best to answer them. And I'm also putting out a video, it might be out already, check it out, of some of the choreography that we performed. So check that out, and also go stream and download Never Gonna Not Dance Again, and just skate your little heart out to it. And tag the LA Roller Girls when you do it, and tag Pink. What a great day. What a great life. Okay, thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to hear about my Lizzo adventure or about the Moon Girls adventure, go ahead and comment that down below. And if you want me to bring Crystal on here to teach you some stuff, let me know down below. And if you want to support me, head on over to cheerstothequeers.com and check some stuff out there. And most importantly, cheers to the queers! Wah, wah. I love you, Bobo. Bye, everybody. I've got a